Fire escape inspection summary video. Inspector Alan Toll, licensed architect, California. Certified fire escape inspector. I'm here at platform system number 2 at 400 block of Sutter Street in San Francisco. So in order to certify this fire escape, must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. It's a pass-fail video. This will not pass today. It's definitely needs some paint, and there's some issues that I will point out to you. Certainly not as same condition as the one system number 1 in the front. That one's got much more issues than this one does. This is pretty typical of what we find in California. So in order to certify this fire escape, it is going to need to be painted, and it is going to need partial restoration or full restoration in lieu of a load test or load test. Don't think will be third option is provide an opinion affidavit letter stating to the best of our opinion, knowledge, and belief that this fire escape is ready for its intended use. But that has to be accepted by the city, and it needs to, your insurance carrier needs to approve that as well. And we have to hold harmless the city and fire escape engineers. So I'm going to start with our video. Again, pass fail. Ladder to the roof is in good order. Again, just needs paint. This, this kind of peeling will, can hurt someone's hand using it. It's punched through. Maybe could use a little bit more stiffener back to the wall, but not any issues that I see. So this is not, again, this is a pass-fail video. It's not a repair report. We're just pointing out where the issues are. We're not saying how many or everything that's here, but so you can see there's a little bit of surface rust on some of these connections, which could mean that there's interior rusting on these railings. As we go down, again, this is the stringer clips appear to be in better order, but all original hardware. We want to probably take a look at that, clean out any rust that may be occurring, and replace these bolts. Again, peeling paint. It is a galvanized system, so not a lot of internal rust, but there is some places that it is going internal. You can see here, this is much better than the system condition we have in the front. You've got these 4-inch C-channels that cantilever into the building, so we're going to need to just seal that, but I don't see any incidents of too much water infiltration. We're a pretty narrow area in here, so it's pretty well protected. But you can just see they're starting to get some rust occurring here. So we want to come in here and clean this out. If we do take it apart, so we want to remove any rust, prime it, scrape it, prime it, paint it, and caulk it, and replace these rivets with a new bolt, either new bolts or just leave them in place and add one new bolt. Again, railing's in pretty good order, needs paint. Connections back to the building look pretty good. Connections up top look to be in good order. So moving down, it needs a good power washing. There's a lot of, especially down below, a lot of bird droppings, but you can see rust is starting to occur, and it's starting to, in fact, down below here, you'll see that it's deteriorating the railing. You can see here and here. So, again, stringer clip condition back to the wall looks pretty good. Definitely not as much work as the one in the front. But coming down, you can see more of the same. I'm going to stop this for now and continue on down at the lower level.